Yeah, guys. Next, so asynchronous Apex. Under the asynchronous Apex, we have the schedule jobs using Apex scheduler. Right. So we'll see what are the tasks they given. Okay. So create an Apex class that uses schedule Apex to update lead records. So create Apex class that implements the schedulable interface to update lead records with a specific lead source. Okay. Right. We have to create a Apex class that is a daily lead processor and interface is schedulable. Right. Execute method must to find the first 200 records with the bank lead source field and update them with the lead source value of Dreamforce. Next, we have to do the test class. Right. Okay. 100% test coverage. Okay, done. So first, what we have to do? So we need to create a class. Go to the developer console, new Apex class. Let's stick with the Apex class name that is daily lead a processor class. Got it. So and obviously this will be the scheduled Apex now. So we have to add a implement schedulable. Implements schedulable. Implement schedulable. Then I'm creating a method. Right. I'm creating the method. Right. Public public void execute execute schedulable context. Schedulable context SC. Schedulable context SC. Right. So here, what we have to do, step one. In the step one, query up to 200 lead records. Up to 200 lead records. Right. Where the lead source is null. Lead source equals to null. Then after what we have to do, the step two, loop through each lead and set its lead source equals to what was the value? Dream force. Right. So we need to find out whatever the records don't have a lead source, we are going to update. Clear? Right. So whatever the records we are collecting, we need to store in the list. List of lead, list of lead, LST leads, LST leads equals to, I'm writing a query. Select ID from lead where lead source equals to null and limit 200. Limit 200. Clear? Next, for lead LD equals to, got it, lead LD for all the records, right? For all the records, what we are doing, LD dot lead source, LD dot lead source equals to, what was the value? Dreamforce. What was the value? Dreamforce. What is this? Assign a new lead source. Assign a new lead source. Right. Next, update, update LD. Update LD. Clear? right? So we collected the lead records. What are the records? Lead source equals to empty means none, right? Then we are assigning the value. That's it. Got it. Now click on here save. Next, what we have to do, we need to prepare a test class. Daily processor test. File new Apex test. Done. Right. So now we are preparing a test class. It should be at the rate is test. It should be at the rate is test. Got it. Next, I'm defining a method. I'm defining a method. A static test method void test test daily lead processor. Daily lead processor. Clear? Right. So step one. In the step one, what we have to do? In the step one, what we have to do? Right. So we are scheduling now. Right. What time, what date means time we need to define. Got it. Uh, run the job. Run the job at 1 a.m. every day. Every day. How we are defining? String con expression, right, equals to 1 o'clock. What time? 1 o'clock. 0, 0, 1. This is a format. What is this? Every day at 1 a.m. Every day at 1 a.m. Next, step 2. Step 2. Create a list to hold test lead records. Test lead records. List lead object, right? LST lead equals to new list equal to new list lead object. Done. Next, step 3. In the step 3, add 200 lead records without a lead source. Without a lead source. For integer, 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 I equals to 0. I equals to 0. I less than 200. Maximum is 200. I plus plus. I plus plus. We are incrementing one by one. We are incrementing each one. Got a point? Next, see here. This is the list name now. List name dot add. List name dot add new lead. New lead. Got it. Last name. Last name equals to what's that? Dreamforce. Dreamforce. Got it. Plus 1. Sorry, plus I, whatever the I value we have, I value, comma, company. Company equals to, you can provide anything like ABC. Company is ABC, comma, status. Status equals to, we can go with the open, not contact. Open, not contact. Got it? Right. Open, not contact. Next, step 4. Step 4. Insert test leads into the database. I want to insert these records. How? Insert LST leads. Done. Next, step 5. Step 5. Start the test content. Start the test content. How? How we can start? Test dot start test. Start test. Got a point? Next. Next, what we have to do? We need to schedule this. Step 6. Schedule the daily lead processor. Schedule the daily lead processor. How we can schedule? String job ID equals to a system dot schedulable system dot schedule only, right? Schedule. What's that? Daily lead processor. This is the class name. Daily lead a processor, comma, CRON expression, comma, new daily lead processor. That's it. Got it. Next, step 7. Step 7. Right. So we are starting the text, a context. So now we are ending this. End the test context. So how? Test dot stop test. We are stopping this. Next, step 8. Step 8. Right. So we need to verify the records. Right. How? List lead updated leads equals to select ID comma lead source from lead where lead source equals to Dreamforce. Next, system dot asset. Right. I want to find out the size. Dot size. If it is more than 0, right? Lead should have been updated with lead source equals to Dreamforce. Clear? Click on the save. Done. No errors. Right. Go here test. So daily lead processor, right? So daily lead processor, as of now we have a 0% code coverage. Go here test. Click on here. Run all of. See here, the daily lead processor. So we have a 100% code coverage. Now you can go here, just check the challenge. Click on here, check the challenge. Right, we successfully completed a schedule Apex.